Oh my goodness, boys. Oh my goodness. Oh dear. No good. My new one no good. I don't know why I thought it would be good, but no good. But it works out good anyways, because it's Nasaword's birthday. Eh? Nasaword. Eh? So we'll go see him. Oh, that's cool. Oh dear. Oh, I found the urinal. What happened? You having a seizure? You having a seizure? Oh, that's good. Oh dear. We'll have to do a tour of this thing.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing too. That's exactly what I was thinking too.
So you're gonna be ready like tonight or what?
Oh god, yeah.
Right on. Okay, we'll get that shit ready, and I gotta go to London and drop this engine off the machine shop, so when I get back we'll get everything sorted out. What's that?
I'm just thinking you're not going to get that engine, you know, they're not going to give you another replacement. They're going to have to rebuild that one. I'm not going to be able to see that engine work.
Yeah, no. Yeah, it just seems crazy that he would rather get towed to a church or a Walmart or a Flying J parking lot just so that he doesn't have to do anything. I don't know. Not sure, but you're not going to be in a desperate situation here, bud. So, off you go. Right on, man.
Okay.
Much obliged.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Sweet. Weird how I got all my parts back that they took out and replaced and fixed and whatever. But like the machine shop thought I didn't want my old valve springs and my old pistons. It was like, what? I have like 6 other same Cummins engines that those parts will fit in if I need them. You know what I mean? Good Lord, if I wanted to sell them or something. You know what I mean? Guys sell stock Cummins pistons and valve springs, but they gave me my cam, my rusty cam, and my rusty tappets back. Useless parts. Anything good they tried to keep. Okay. But yeah, that pump and everything, that was about half the price that I expected it to be honest with you. So that's a little bit refreshing. Roy's Diesel, ladies and gentlemen. Classy fellas, classy fellas. Anyways, got to pick up some bolts, drop the engine off, and then we go see Jim for his birthday. Can you even believe a gob of my jizz grew up to be 26-year-old? Crazy. batteries.
What happened?
Batteries. Watch your sneakers.
Yeah.
Don't get them on my good battery.
Yeah.
Battery right up. What's your roof work, Jim?
This is my hatch day.
Yeah.
Ah.
Holy shit, Jim, you smell like Sylvester Stallone. What is that?
Goot juice.
Oh.
Buttermilk.
Yeah.
You can go this way then.
The car in the way of my skiddins.
Yeah. Just skiddins right onto him. Yeah.
I take the engine back to the machine shop today because I f***ed up.
It up?
They did.
Oh, they did.
Yeah. They're like where the injectors go in. It's like the one injector was like rusted in there. Well, they didn't even touch it. They just like where you stick the injector, the rusty pile of shit. Oh,
They didn't even do it?
Well, yeah. Well, they like did like a valve job on the head,
Oh, this way.
but didn't clean the head. Like they're still like, oh, it's a bug. Oh, it's a bug. They didn't even like clean like the soot out of the. You know what I mean? Like it's just like rusty, sooty, dirty junk. And they charge me all type of my monies, and then rusty, dirty junk. You know what I mean? It's like, bro. Don't want to be running over a fucking jogger. You'd probably be mad.
Probably get mad a couple times. How's what's his face? Hobo.
Oh, he's dick.
Hobo Joe.
He's gotta go today. I don't give a. He just keeps not leaving. Like I tell him, like, pack your shit. We'll call you a tow truck. Keep asking, got your shit? Oh, no, almost and stuff. And they don't like bring like a bunch of stuff in the shop and like give it to me, like flap this piece. You know what I mean? Just like a bunch of just shit.
Yeah. It's like, oh, it seems like he's trying to not get booted out.
Yeah.
Giving you all type of this useless shit. Why would they put a cone there?
I don't know. I'm gonna run into it a little bit though.
They're just like, oh, you hit that.
They thought it was just pulling right in, zero.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah. It's like, no, I just needed to go there, and there's a cone there for absolutely no reason. So, because like if it was for to get the dumpster thing, then why is that one and that one good?
Oh, I did knock it over too.
Oh, yeah, big time.
Oh, I'm awesome. I'm awesome, Jim.
Yeah.
You got paint on your pants, Jim.
Fucking all over. Came like that.
Oh, you bought them like that?
Nah.
Oh. Hey, look at me, you same. I was painting my. Where is it?
Oh no, that's piss.
That's piss. There's a little urine. There was. Oh, right there. Me, you same.
Yeah.
They come like that.
Yeah.
What happened?
Noose spot.
Your noose. Oh, your anus.
No, my pee noose.
Oh, I thought it was your anus. I was worried for a second.
No, just my pee noose.
Ooh.
Couple days ago.
Buddy is choked.
Holy. Oh, are we gonna see a fight? Oh no, this guy's gonna run away. They're gonna fight.
Yeah, just standing in the middle of the parking lot. Just.
I'd totally do what that guy did. Just look at him and be like, dude, are you good?
Yeah. Did you have some sort of a failure in the brain department?
Yeah.
You hobo sane? Holy shit.
Right? Fuck, my coat's too big. I can't even.
Yeah, this is way too much.
You're like already full?
Mm-hmm. Like half the other one. Oh no. I thought there was two entrances into this parking lot and I fucked.
Yeah.
Illegal as illegal as the law does not apply to me. I do illegal as shit all the time. Hey?
Yeah.
It's hard not to. Like, I don't know how you.
Everything's illegal. It's like, oh, you want to do actual fun stuff that's fucking not stupid,
Yeah.
illegal. Get caught doing it, arrested.
Mm-hmm. Like you can't spray paint gym on anything. You
Right?
can't
Like how
smash
fucked is
stuff
that?
up that doesn't belong to you.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Like how fucked is that?
Like
All I
why
wanna do
doesn't
is-
this guy want gym in like multicolored hieroglyphics?
That would look awesome.
Yeah, right under the Starbucks sign just says gym, but you can't even read it because it's all jibber jabber.
Yeah, just crazy looking.
Yeah, like you have to be like third level gangbanger to even register what you're seeing.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the eyeball from the old guy there.
Yeah. But he was like giving the side eye.
Holy shit, dude. Oh, it's like tandem stangs, man. Right on, man.
Wait. You got things?
Yeah, a little bit. Not too bad, I guess. Had to pick up some crap. Wood and woodwork on the truck. It's my life now.
Kicked it.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Jim. Choo-chit. Yes, sir. So I don't know, like about, like I say, like CAA sometimes takes fucking hours, right? So should I call, or are you ready, or what do you think?
Well, I got my rad to put in. I got to put it on the back, and I just got to put the starter in, and I just got to take the dustpan, get rid of the dirt on the floor, and the trailer should be good.
Well, the hobo's still here, so that's handy for somebody who wants to leave so friggin' bad. He, he's got a pretty desperate situation, and it's a pretty terrible place here in Inwood. So, but tomorrow morning, 100%, not, you know what I mean? Trap their truck, this, that, whatever, drag it out of there. He's not staying after tomorrow. But anyways, check this out, boys. Yeah. It had a 70 donkeys. Let's see if I can get the light onto that. It had a 70 donkey Arscolio onto it there. But you can see the ridge on where she was riding. She's got a pretty deep scratch in there. Changed springs, different things, stuff like that. New ejectors, new pump, new ejectors. Yeah. Oh, new turb ski. Don't know if I showed you that. I probably showed you opening it, maybe, I think. But friggin' right. But I got that painted finally, so we're able to bolt this and that in, and then we could finish the transmission mount. I picked up some bolts today too, just specifically for that. So anyways, it's almost time for a tasty snap, and I happen to be a tasty snap enthusiast. This guy here, I can't get the asshole. I mean, I just got to rig up some sort of different puller. All the pullers I got, you know, you can't grab the backside. It's like round and stuff. The other one's got a hangulation on there because it's a different style. But yeah, that thing won't come off there till. Nope, not till. But I don't really mention the Patreons too much. I mean, the goofs mention it way more than I ever do. Appreciate that. But yeah, usually the dramas and the nonsense gets a lot more clicks. So if you're interested in you know, the behind the McSigarts with the hobo there, I invite you over to have a gander. But yeah, and the best part about all that is it pisses the goose off. The other thing too, I want to do a tour of his friggin' hobo there. I could take it or leave it myself, but I'm sure it'd make a good movie. The only problem is you know, like, you gotta sort of get in there, right? I could put the camera on a stick and just kind of aim it around in there and stuff, but probably won't be able to really get the shot, you know, 100% or something. Maybe I could just send him in there with the camera. That's, yeah, and then my camera will have hobo smut all over it. Ooh, yeah, see, I'm gonna have to wear some sort of a mask and just climb right in there. I gotta take one for the team, boys. Take one for the team, but yeah, before she gets onto the tow truck there tomorrow, we'll maybe do a little bit of the tours, but I gotta get cars tomorrow too. Shit, every day it's different things. Being an adult's bullshit, eh? Bills and stuff. Idiot. Good to see dirty old Jim today, hey? Friggin' him to Rappner, and he's got a new song, and you should go to his channel and check it out. I think it's on another channel too, and it'll be awesome. But yeah, man. Remember, the links are always in the prescription for gym shit. You just gotta scroll down, link in the prescription, and yeah, that'll be freaking awesome. And it's his birthday. I mean, that was 2 weeks ago in America, but yeah, go wish him a happy birthday word, and then we teach. But I'm just gonna fire something up myself and have a cigarette and probably go to bed. To be honest with you.